So developing on Capitol Hill, the battle to make the skies safer is now moving to the Senate after the House passed an aviation bill after last year's deadly midair collision in D.C. The National News Desk's Angela Brown joins us right now with more on this. And Angela, one dad who lost his only daughter right now pushing for some quick action.
Yeah, he's pushing for a legislation to pass that would have more protocols, more technologies on planes so they don't collide midair. Still grieving every day without action. He says another family could face his loss.
What do you miss most about your daughter?
Her laugh.
Grace Maxwell, bright student, bright future, only 20 years old, majoring in mechanical engineering at Cedarville University. She was one of 67 people killed when an American Airlines flight collided with an Army Black Hawk near Reagan National last year. Her father, Dean Maxwell, says the family is still learning how to live without her.
25% of our family's gone, and we just have to do things differently. Vacations are different. Dinner's different. Time together is hard.
This month, the House passed the Alert Act, requiring aircraft flying near busy airports to install collision avoidance technology. The NTSB has said if the American Airlines flight had that technology, the crash could have been avoided.
We need to get this implemented now. The timeline, best case scenario, is getting all of this implemented and done by 2031. And we saw near misses as late as last Saturday.
The FAA is investigating a close call between two Southwest Airlines jets at Nashville International Airport on Saturday. Just days later, on Wednesday, the FAA said it's investigating a near miss between two passenger jets at Kennedy International Airport.
When you see those near misses, what goes through your mind?
Oh, it just... it refreshes everything. You think about the loss. You think about the other people that could potentially be walking through the same thing.
Well, but that Alert Act may actually face some hurdles. Senate Commerce Committee Chair Ted Cruz and Ranking Member Maria Cantwell, a Republican and a Democrat here, issued a joint statement saying the Alert Act falls short of the collision avoidance technology that the NTSB has recommended 18 times. And right now that bill is actually sitting in their committee.
Okay, Angela, thank you so much.